Hi guys, and welcome back to another edition of Cooking with Vera. Today we are going to make a super easy summer treat. No-bake strawberry cheesecake. This recipe is super simple. It's 7 ingredients and super simple to make. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the strawberry sauce. No sugar needed. All we're gonna do is bloom 2 packets of gelatin with some lemon juice, because we want that lemon juice to give it a little spark, just like that. And then we're going to pour the lemon juice. That's half a cup. Okay, so this is it. It's bloomed and ready to go. Next step is thawing the strawberries in the microwave oven. Up next, we're gonna thaw the strawberries out. We're moving on to the strawberry sauce. The berries are thawed, and now it's my version of power tools. And done. See, that's how I get my big guns. Reserve 2 tablespoons for the topping. So now I'm going to mix the gelatin with the strawberry sauce. So we're gonna put the cookies in a sandwich bag, close it up, and pound them into crumbs. Sometimes, when things are bugging you a little bit, great way to take out your aggression. Lemon cream and butter. They're gonna take a little bath together. How yummy is that? Okay, so now that your cookie crumbs are evenly spread, I'm gonna use the bottom of this glass to pound them down and pack them so they're nice and firm, and then refrigerate for at least 10 minutes. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Up next, it's the batter. So it's 2 packets of softened cream cheese. Then we're going to add the sweetened condensed milk and then the strawberry sauce. Just gonna pour this into this crust that's been sitting in the refrigerator for 10 minutes, and then that's it. You gotta smooth it out. Please let this look pretty. 3 hours in the fridge, and your no-bake cheesecake is now ready to enjoy. Let's take a look at that recipe. For the strawberry sauce, 10 ounces of frozen strawberries, half cup of lemon juice, 2 packets of gelatin. For the cookie crust, 12 lemon cream sandwich cookies. Separate the cream from the cookies, 4 tablespoons of butter melted, crushed cookies to make a fine crumb. For the batter, 2 bricks of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and the strawberry sauce. All done. We'll see you back in the studio.